Hi guys! Welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for this Harry Potter Magical Infinity Advent Calendar. And you're thinking, it's not Christmas, why are we unboxing this? Well, I love Infinity boxes, that's one. I love the interactiveness, and being a paper crafter, I'd love to see how this is. The other is, my kids have just started their summer vacation. This is their first weekend off of school, and one of their summer goals is to read or have a list of summer reading books. So my older daughter was a big fan of Harry Potter, and she's read all the books. So my daughter Emmy now is going to follow in her footsteps and start reading these books this summer. She's a big fan of dragons, and she's read the Wings of Fire series, so she thought she'd try something different, and she'll be joining me today. So say hi, Emmy.
Hi.
So Emmy's gonna join me today to unbox this. So the other cool deal is we got this from Amazon during the holidays. This box was a $30 value, and since it's a low season for these advent calendars, I checked Amazon and it was I think $12 for this box. So let's have a look and see.
Like less than half the price.
Exactly. So it came packed with this cover, and it was plastic sealed. There was a little damage to that box, so let's see how it goes, and we shall open our box.
Thing.
So I'm just going to slide this off first, and so that we can get a better view of what this beautiful box looks like. There's
wow,
Harry.
This is really cool.
There's the phoenix, and then we see the owl.
I thought that was a griffin.
Oh, Gryffindor. Okay, so now this is where the action begins. First off, we have to look for box number 1, and
There's
so
many
here
things.
goes. Where is number 1? Emmy, do you see
I
number
see it
1?
right here.
So go ahead and pull
Eh.
that box out, and let's see what we got.
It's a Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. So we have a little plushy keychain in here with Harry.
Very
so what
soft.
we're doing is we're gonna unbox this, but we're definitely gonna share the items with my older daughter. I'm sure she's gonna want some of these. Now let's see
It's a tray.
where number 2 is. So number 2.
Maybe we should like open
Number 2.
Hufflepuff.
Where's number 2? Do you see it?
Maybe we should try flipping it
Oh,
open.
here we go. See, that's why it is a never-ending box. Oh my,
Oh my
goodness!
god. We can, like,
Did you
keep on
see that?
flipping. Oh, I see number 3 if we need ever
Number
need that.
3. Here we go, guys.
Here it is. The
Number
little
2.
Hufflepuff.
Hufflepuff. Let's pull that out and
Is that like a
see.
little badger?
Oh wow!
Wow.
Wow. So we have some little gift tag cards here. So I'm gonna open this and see how many we get. So go ahead and pull that out and put it here.
Oh, it's like this, like,
So we-
witch hat.
So Emmy doesn't know any of the characters, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm not
I know
gonna talk
Harry
about them
Potter.
too much because I want to leave it a little bit mysterious for her so she can enjoy it. I see a unicorn, so that's pretty cute. Look at this. And platform 9 3/4. Emmy's gonna find out what that is.
I don't.
It has a, remember, there's your clue. It's a train platform, but take a look at that. And there's Hagrid and Harry Potter and his friends. So that is number 2. Let's have a look. So remember, we have 24 to unbox. I'm just gonna put that
It might take us a
back
while to
in.
find
I
all
know.
of them.
So now we have to go back.
I see
know
3 on the
we
side.
see 3 here. Go ahead and slide that out.
But there's like a keychain inside.
Ooh,
Ron.
Ron.
I don't really know any of their names, but then she was like, this dude's Ron.
So some of her friends have read the Harry Potter, some of her schoolmates. Look how cool this is. This is a pretty good looking keychain. So we're gonna put it back in there again because I want my older daughter to have a chance to kind of play around and look through here. Now we're looking for number 4. So I know, there it is.
Oh, where?
Number 4. Go ahead and pull that box and we shall see what's in here. What do we have?
Oh, it's magnets.
Magnets. Let's see how many magnets. This is a lot of stuff for that amount.
Yeah.
I mean, we've already made up our money because these cost some fairly, like this would probably cost like $2.99 or $3. Hufflepuff, and we have our Ravenclaw. Okay, so those are our 2 magnets. We are on number 4, going on number...
Is there a thing for Hufflepuff, like a badger?
Let's
or
find
something?
out. Number 5. So let's go this way.
I think I saw it somewhere. I don't know.
We're gonna have to go the opposite way and turn it.
I see 6.
There's number 5.
Oh, the little owl. With the
Yeah, let's have a look at
Harry
that
Potter
and
thing.
pull it out. I love this.
Very
It's like
long.
never
Oh, wow.
ending. What do we
This.
have here?
It's this angry looking dude.
So Harry Potter, and then we have Yumi as the brand. So Emmy, we'll have your older sister tell you more about the character so they can talk about it. And I just don't want to ruin the surprise for her. So number 5. Now we still see number 6 over here. So we'll go ahead.
Is this like a dragon, rabbit, bat thing?
Go ahead and pull it out. I think we see more magnets.
It's a cute little Hedwig magnet. I know it's
So
the
we
owl.
have 1.
That's the name of the
That's
owl.
the owl, and actually
Hedwig.
Emmy's school has an owl for their school.
Mascot,
Yeah.
Amador Owl.
Number 7. Flipping.
I think I saw it somewhere around here.
Let's
Like,
see.
flipping it the other way.
7.
Is it on the side?
Never ending. Oop, we gotta go the other way. But look at these fun images. 7. Where is 7? Ooh, hold on. All right, we found 7, so she's gonna pull it out. Ooh, what is that?
They're like little cards. Oh, I think they're like sticky
Spell cards. Okay,
spell
let's have a
cards.
look and see. This is pretty thick, or is it a notepad? I think it's a notepad.
I think it's a notepad.
A little sticky notepad. That is so cool. My daughter Lil will definitely love that. She can use that.
Okay, a bit ago I saw like 8.
All right, so we are going to flip back and find number 8. Number 8, where are you? Here we go again.
Oh, here on the side.
All right, so we're gonna pull it from the side. Go ahead.
Ooh.
And what do we have here?
This girl, I don't know who this is.
Looks like it's Hermione. Hermione, and she looks all dressed up. So we'll put that in there and see what is in store next. So
That's
8,
cool.
now we're gonna go number 9. There it is.
Here it is. That was easy.
Number 9. Wow, what do we have here?
I don't.
It's folded up. Go ahead.
I think it's like a little bag or something. Is it?
It's a flag?
No, a bag maybe.
Or it could be, oh, that's so cool. It is a reusable bag. Look at this. Super awesome. That is so cool. It says back to Hogwarts, and then you have our main characters here. That is so cool. The back side is plain. That is so cool. I love that they just fit all this stuff. So let's see if I can put it back to its original form so that Lil can have fun looking through this.
It didn't look like that, but that's fine.
Number
that's
9, and we are going to go ahead and look for 10. 10's right over there.
It's getting easier.
Flip it over. Oh, that's cool.
Like a travel thing.
Little travel
like,
tag.
Put
You
on
can-
your suitcase. Oh my god.
So you can put it on your suitcase or your backpack. And you can have your name and your address, and this is what it looks like. Pretty nice and sturdy. We have like a little rubber little keychain thing there, so we put that back, and 11's right there with our Ravenclaw.
I know.
Ooh, what is that?
Whoa.
Open it.
It's like a bookmark.
That's really pretty, and it looks like a feather bookmark. So let's see what it says. That's pretty neat. So here it is, and it has a spell on it. So you'll have to read it to find out what that spell stands for. And that's number...
Like maybe fly,
yeah. Number 11. Now we're going to look for 12. 12, we're going backwards. There it is.
Whoa, it's like a little patch.
Ooh, that's a cool patch. And then number 13. There it is, with the lion over there.
Oh, and then here's number 14.
Perfect. Another little plushie keychain, and now we have Ron, which is awesome. So we got 3 of them. We got Harry. And put that back. Then we'll open number 14. So we're getting there. Okay, 14.
Yep, and it's on the same one as 13.
What is it?
It's a pen.
Oh my goodness.
I think.
Let's have a look and see. What an adorable pen. Let me just show you what this looks like up close. We have a little Dobby charm
so
on
tiny.
it. Here's a quick look at what this adorable pen looks like. It's a silver one, and then you just roll it out to show your pen. But that is super cute. I love this. All right, so we're gonna put this away and go to number 15. So no, we're gonna come back here because we see 16 right
And
there.
17.
So 15, where are you? Let's see. Can you see
I
it?
don't see 15 yet.
15. Looks like we gotta go back. Did we miss it?
Maybe.
This is fun though. You see all the beautiful artworks on the boxes, and maybe Emmy and I will attempt to make one in one of my crafting videos.
That's gonna take a while, but it'll be good.
Just make a small one. So still don't see it.
How about we flip again?
Oh my god, where is 15?
Just flip forward again.
Again, nice artwork here. And I love the gold foil. So while Emmy's trying to spot number 15, just gonna slowly, I see 5, but that's not the number we're looking for.
Where is it?
So we'll come back. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Is it on the side?
So I'm gonna flip it this way. There's 15 right there.
Oh. It's washi.
Oh my goodness, but there's more than one. Oh my gosh, we gotta show that up close. This is too cute. Alright guys, here's a closer look at these washi tapes. They are pretty thin, but just perfect to put in your journal. I love it. This is so awesome. You get 2.
Oh my god,
that flew, and this is, it's pretty
caught
thin.
it.
She caught it. So let's look at number 16.
17.
Number 16 right up there. What do we have?
And it has a cute little
so
cat
many
on the
items.
cover.
It's Harry. So it's a nice little rubber
keychain.
keychain. That's super cool. Put that back, and then we'll do number 17.
Later we're going to have to go searching for the items that we want.
Yeah, that's the fun part, yeah. So now 17 has a... Awesome! So we have Hagrid, and it's a cute little enamel pin. And it says this is his home. That's pretty cool. I know my daughter and Lil will love that. So number 18, I'm gonna go backwards here.
I think I saw it like when we were going forwards.
Here it is.
And I see 19 on the side.
Perfect. We got tattoos. How many? Is it one? Let's find out.
Oh, it's more than one.
More than one. This is super cool.
It's a dog.
Yeah.
And a griffin.
So you're gonna find out again who all these characters are. Okay, so we are going to go backwards and go to 19. It says charms. Let's see what's
20.
in here.
Oh my god.
What is it?
Deep.
Oh!
It's an eraser. I know you love
I
it.
love it. Don't you like that, Dobby?
So cute.
Oh, that's super cute. So it's an eraser and then number 20.
You have like a Adobe stationery set.
Number 20. So we have 4 to go after this.
Oh wow, what's this?
And
oh, it's like a...
we have it's like a wipe for your glasses. Super neat. I love that.
It's cute.
You can also wipe, I bet, your iPad.
little
Or
headlight.
look how pretty that is.
I mean,
Really cool. With all our characters.
Hedwig.
And so I'm going to put it back here. 20. Now off to C, number 21.
Wow, we're getting really close to the end.
We have 4 more. There it is, 21.
More magnets.
Oh, how cool. More magnets. So Gryffindor seal, and then we have the Slytherin. There it is, see? 22.
Ooh. It's like a
Another spell. Sticker.
Oh wait, I thought there was more, but that was just the bottom of the thing.
I love the variety of things here. They had definitely stationary stuff with the pens and the sticky notes. And we have different spells. And these are stickers. Oh, this is fun. So, love it. Okay, so we're going to put that again back in there. Now we have 2 more items.
Wow.
24 is
That was the
here,
last
so
one.
we will go to 23.
Oh, here.
23. Did we do 22? Yeah.
Yeah, we did. We just did. It is a...
Another enamel pin. And we'll leave that, not my favorite character, but we'll put it here. So you'll have to read it, Ems. And I can tell you who it is. I know, I'm sorry. I don't want to ruin the surprise of the book, so. Another? Oh, that's
one.
yours. Yeah,
Yes.
that's so
Yes.
pretty. So 24 items. Super awesome. So I hope you
That's a
guys
deal.
enjoyed this fun for us, super interactive advent calendar Infinity box. I'm hoping that we can do something this summer and make a mini Infinity box here for fun. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time.
Bye.